Hi guys, so today we are going to cut this puffed 3/4 sleeve. So to do this, I cut my lining by I did 19 by 19. So I took first off I took my 3/4 length, which was 14. I marked straight. Sorry, my videographer, she's more interested in learning than doing my video. Pardon her. So for that, I was trying to pick up my chalk there. I did 14 by 19 thereabout. So before I proceed, I needed to calculate my armhole, which is to get my armhole, my circumference. I did my round bust divided by 6 plus 1.5. So with whatever thing it gives me, I minus 0.5 to cut. So that after cutting and sewing, it gives me, after sewing my 1/2 inch, it gives me my actual armhole circumference. So I measured round so that I will know what I'm taking, taking and placing on the fabric, or rather my lining. So I measured did my normal armhole measurement, which is coming down by 4 inches to get your armhole, and then I measured round, and then I ticked. The round was giving me 10.5, so I measured my 10.5 and went up by 3 inches. Initially I went up by 4, and on seeing the picture I'm emulating, like the picture I'm recopying, I'm resewing, I saw that the puff was not so much, and mine was so much, so I redid that. I came up by 3, coming down by 1 inch. Do you understand? You can see from this video that puff the sleeve puff wasn't so much, so I was trying to be careful while cutting. And then to get my side curve, I went up by 5 inch, because the curve actually went up, like it really went up. So I now took my curve and did my A-line marking at the end, and then I took the curve till I got my desired shape. So I was still trying to confirm that everything was right. Then I curved, did my measurements. It's surprising that my videographer, as I said initially, is more interested in learning than doing the actual video. I asked her to help me with. Then I now did my cutting, and then I had to cut. This is what it looks like when I was done, and this is it. Yeah, so this is our finished look. My own sleeve is not looking so exaggerated, because I'm making this sleeve for someone who does not like stress, like she does not like heavy styles. So I was being conscious about that when I was cutting, and the most important part is that the sleeve came out, the puff is standing, the curve, you got it. If you decide that you want your own curve to go deeper, you can cut that. You can go deeper, increase your 5, instead of taking 5 inch up, you can do yours 8 inch or 7 inches, depending on what you want. And then if you want your flail to equally come out, you can do that also. And I hope this class helped.